Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander ES. This one's brown. Underneath the hood is a 2.44 cylinder, pushing out 166 horsepower. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys, the tires are in good condition. Black cloth interior. Come around back. Mitsubishi Outlander badging. Open up the tailgate, got a set all season floor mats, fold down third row seating. Come alongside. Power windows. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Mitsubishi has 36,754 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mitsubishi, check out feldmannimports.com.